Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dish rack wheel on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the dish rack wheel is damaged or because your dish rack is not rolling in properly. For this repair, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Whirlpool. Now keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. Also keep in mind, we don't have a countertop for this, so we're actually using some weights to keep it weighted down so it doesn't tip over on us. So you might want to consider that when you're at home, and if you have to take out your dishwasher, make sure that you're not doing anything to tip it over and make it fall on you when you're doing a repair as well. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our dishwasher here. So we'll pull out our top dish rack here. And in order to get the dish rack off, we're going to have to take off the stoppers on the end here. So we'll just pull straight up on that and pull it out. And same thing on this side, we're going to pull straight up on the stopper and then pull it straight out. Now with the stoppers out of the way, you should be able to pull your dish rack straight out. So we've got 4 dish rack wheels total, 2 on each side. They're not quite exactly all the way in the front and the back, but we've got one on the very back and then one towards the middle. In order to get them off, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and on the inside there's going to be a tab, and you're going to want to push down on that tab until it goes past the little clip right there, and then you're going to push down. And once you push down on that side, you can push down the rest of the way on this lever here, and that'll free the wheel. And then you can tilt this back, twist it, and pull it out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dish rack wheel. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So to put the dish rack wheel back in, we're going to twist it until the middle part right there is lined up with the dish rack right there, and line it all up. Then we can push this tab up and it locks into place just like that. And now we'll take our upper rack and we'll line up the wheels and get those inside of the track there and push that all the way back. You just want to make sure that both go inside. This one didn't. So we're going to try one more time and slide it all the way back. Now we're going to slide our track out just a little bit again, and we're going to put our stoppers back in place. There we go. So that'll stop the track from going out again. And now we can close up the door and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.